Hi, and welcome to the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I am here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. So much fun all the time. I feel like I say that, but it's very true, very, very true. So what are we making today?
So we're making a green goddess dip, which you might be familiar with green goddess dressing. So it's a lot of herbs. Usually it has a base of mayonnaise, maybe even some sour cream. We're going to use some cashews to make a cashew cream. So it's going to have a lot more fiber, be a lot more healthier and healthy types of fat.
Right.
Still fairly high in calories, so you do want to be judicious when you're, you
don't want to do the whole cup or the whole bowl.
Right. So we have some cashews that we soaked overnight, and so if you don't have overnight, you can always put these in some boiling water, let them sit for 10 minutes, drain the water off, and you're ready to go.
But they definitely need to be softened.
They do need to be softened.
Okay.
And so you might be familiar with cashew cream. A lot of vegan or vegetarian cream sauces, this is the base of that.
Okay. And this again is just taking some healthy steps to make, something similar, like you said, the goddess dressing, but we're just making it a little better for you.
Right. It's going to be, in fact, it's going to be a lot
better.
That's one, sometimes our recipes are a little better. This one is actually a lot better because of the saturated fat. Yeah. Okay. So cashews, a good pinch of salt, some lime juice, some water to really get that blended up. And so I'm going to blend this for a second. And then we're going to come back and we're going to add all of the green goodness to this green goddess.
Okay, sounds perfect.
If I can get the lid on. Okay, all right, so be right back. Okay, so now we have our cashew cream, and we're going to go ahead and add a lot of herbs to this. And I say a lot. This is parsley, cilantro, green onion, tarragon, and with all of our recipes, yes, you can add some of your favorites. You would want to avoid the harder or more resinous herbs like rosemary because it wouldn't blend up as much. So you want to stick with the ones that are watery herbs or fiend herbs because those are going to blend up really
better.
well. Yes.
And is there an amount that they need to use, or just handfuls, or what looks good?
So on the recipe, it's going to tell you exactly how much to use, and I think these say like half a bunch.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, and so it is somewhat to taste on those.
All right, where are we at?
Okay, so this is all blended together, and you can see that nice, gorgeous.
I was going to say, here's the green.
Right, it's so beautiful. And so we have some that's ready to go, or you can taste it right out of the container. Either way.
Well, I feel like I'll do the bowl just to be nice, because we're probably all going to eat this after, right? Let's be honest.
Could be.
But I love how green it is, knowing that all of that is in there.
Right, and very healthy. I think sometimes we use herbs in recipes for a little bit of flavor here and there, but also they're very nutritious. They're just like other greens. They have lots of micronutrients that we should take advantage of.
Oh my goodness, yeah, and it's just a fun way, like again, summertime, you're at cookouts, whatever you may need to be going to, and you're getting that little extra vitamin-enriched food, and you don't even realize that it's happening.
Right.
Awesome, I appreciate it, so good. If you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, go ahead and head to kjrh.com.